Welcome to the channel again. Today I thought let's have a quick look at SIP, because it was what do you call, um, it was a stock which people loved some time back, and this one and what's the other one? I forgot the name. Let's look at my thing. There is buy now pay later. Afterpay. Sorry, I forgot the ticket code. Yeah, so the SIP is another one people were looking when Afterpay was going mad. So thought we'll have a look at what's happening with SIP now. Is it a good time to buy? If you believe in this stock, yeah, let's get in. So as you can see, recent price action. This is the weekly chart. You can see here. See now, this stock is sitting in support area, which is in my books it's a good area to buy. And let's see, if we buy this stock now, what are our let's say what are our today I don't get the words correctly. What are our stop loss levels will depend on your risk appetite. So as you can see, this stock is like more like up and down sort of a stock, like go up then come down, then have big moves, then big moves down, that sort of a stock. Volume also more or less, let's say here, that's sort of the average volume. You can see my cursor here, like this cross line. Then you get higher volumes, then drop back again, bit lower volumes in here and here, and before the I think before this has been hyped up, or before this has become a favorite stock, volume is very low. Anyway, so now these days, last few weeks, let's say from here, if you think, like, volume has been more or less consistent. I know there are high volume weeks here and there, but volume hasn't dropped more than sort of this level, which is a good sign. So its interest is there. So let's, if you look at like here, the recent sort of price actions, this stock has two price levels as support. So this is a one area which I am looking, $4.93. That area is a price area. This stock has been supported, so it's supported here, then supported here, and supported around here slightly. So before this big move, this is the support area it had before this big move up. Then other price support area is this area where we are sitting now, and this is the resistance area. I'll go to daily so we can see a bit clearly, because we don't have much price actions to see. This support box I have marked here, you can see it has been supported here, then supported again here, supported here, like now also being supported. So this support box seems to act as a very strong support for this stock. If you think this was this example was sort of used in one of the other YouTubers I saw, so I'll use the same because it is a very good example. So this is like the concrete plinth or foundation for this stock. This level has acted very well as a concrete foundation. Try to pierce, didn't work, go up, try to pierce it again, didn't work, came down, try to pierce, didn't work, go up, try to pierce. So this is like a good foundation. This stock try to hit and break it down, but until now this concrete foundation has acted as a very good support area for this stock. It's like one of our houses. Like if you have a strong foundation, it is very hard to pass through that foundation. But when you have many hits, foundation can get weak. Then finally you get able to pierce it through. But it depends whether if it is bulls in control or bears in control. If bears in control try to, if they want to pierce this, they will keep hitting. One day they will able to pass it through that concrete foundation. But if bears are in control, they will not allow um, sellers to hit this foundation more than what is required, so then they can protect this foundation. Anyway, hope you understand. So this area has acted as a very good support for this stock. So that's why I'm very keen about where it is sitting now. So let's say what are our options. So here I can see a few options here. If you want to buy now, it is a very good time because it is sitting in this support area. Uh, and I would put a stop loss around here, 7%, $6.30. That's one stop loss level. And if you're willing to take more risk, give more chance for this stock to grow, this may be the other level, but it is 27% stop loss level, which is $4.98. So it's up to you which risk level you like, how much you believe in this stock. For me, I would go with this one, 7%. I don't mind losing 7% for a more upside of this stock. So I'll leave it with you which stock, which risk level you want to take. But by looking at the graphs, it looks pretty good. It's sitting on a support level which has been supported many times before for this stock. So with the stop loss uh, suit you what we discussed, like just below this box or all the way here. With the stop loss, I think it is a good stock to buy if you believe in this SIP, like in this buy now pay later sector. Yeah, that's looking good at this stage. If you have any questions, if you have any other stocks you want to look, please let me know in the comments. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and it will help me to grow my channel. Thanks.